Yo, what's up guys? Universal Mastery. So what I do on my channel is I break down the occult sciences to a very practical level so that you can use them in your day-to-day life and get real, actual results. So what I'm going to be talking about in today's video is a little bit different than the other videos, and this is going to be pretty much an open discussion from me to my chat log. So basically what we're going to be doing on today's video is I want you to send me your video requests. Okay, so if you want to know a little bit more about what I'm talking about and you want to engage with this a little bit more, then stay tuned. Okay, so this is not my typical video. This is going to be a very short one. This is going to be a very quick one, but this is what's going on. So I've been getting tons of video requests from all kinds of people that watch my videos, and I want to apologize because there's times where I'll get video requests and then I'll respond and I'll say, yeah, I'll make a video on that because I think it's a great idea. And I'm also, in this video, I'm also going to go into a little bit of why I think it's a great idea to take requests from my viewers, from you guys, and then make videos on them. But yeah, so what I'll do is I'll respond, I'll say, yeah, that's a great idea, I'll make a video on that. But then what ends up happening is, it's with everything that's going on in my life right now, between working a part-time job, between uploading videos, between, my lifestyle of trying to stay as disciplined as I can, working out, all these things are going on, I will end up forgetting about the topic that I agreed to on making the video. So I woke up this morning and I realized, because I keep getting requests to make videos, that I've got to write these down. Like I have to create a note in my phone and have video requests. So that's what I'm doing from this point forward. So whenever I get a video request that I feel like I can make a video on and I feel like is a good idea to make a video on, I'm going to be writing it down in my notes so I make sure that I cover it, so that the next time I go to record videos, those are the first topics that I'm looking at. So what this video is being made for today is so that you guys can drop in the comments right now. I want you to get creative and I want you to get intuitive here. I want you to feel it out. What do you want me to make a video on? And I want you all to go down in the comments and leave your own little spiel of what you feel like a good idea for a video would be, and like a certain topic that you want me to cover. So yeah, so I would love to make a video on the topics that you guys bring up. And a big reason why I do that, and a big reason why I think it's a good idea to engage that way, is because I think that you guys have amazing ideas. I really think that there's, I think it comes down to energy at the end of the day, and as above, so below, from my channel to you guys, from where I'm at to you guys, I think that, spirits will communicate through anybody. So I think that someone may be watching this video right now, right, where you're sitting. And that person, let's say you right now request for me to make a specific video about a certain topic. Let's say I follow up on that request, I make that video. Now there's somebody else sitting where you were, and because you made that request, now there's somebody else watching this video that literally needed to hear that exact request that you had put in. That's how everything is connected. That is literally how everything is connected. And then what does that end up resulting in? I end up making a video that was requested by one of my viewers that somebody else, another one of my viewers, absolutely just had this mind-blowing removal of a barrier that was blocking something in their mindset, because you put in that request and that was part of your idea. And because I have the channel and I'm pretty much the vehicle to get these messages out, that's how it works. So it's like we're all working together here. So that's exactly what I'm going for. I'm gonna leave the video here. Drop down in the comments. Don't miss this opportunity, okay? Like, not everyone does this with their YouTube channels. Go in my comments, leave a video leave a video idea that you think would be a good idea to make a video on. And to make it more effective, think about what you want to know about. Think about what it is that you want me to make a video about and leave it in the comments. And then I'm going to go through all those, and the ones that I feel like are worthy of making a video on, I'm going to write them down in my notes. So other than that, I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. Make sure you hit a thumbs up. Go hit the subscribe, the like button. And I will see you on the next video. Peace.